Here is a traditional fisherman's camp or settlement located on the beach here at Fisherman's Village. And here are the long-tail fishing boats which they use for fishing slightly further out to sea. I hope you've enjoyed my short 5-minute stroll and explore along the beach here at Fisherman's Village. If so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive instant notifications of further content, all created from my travels around the world. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and love and great respect to you all.